Hello, my name is John. Today I will show you how to install our ePlan education software, our free software for all pupils, trainees, and students. In the first section of this video, I will show you how to register with ePlan Cloud for the first time and how to download the software. I will demonstrate the process for both new users and for logging in with an existing ePlan Cloud account who want to download a new software version or extend their license. Finally, I will introduce you to the installation process for ePlan. How to register for ePlan Education for the first time. Let's get started. If you are registering for ePlan Education for the first time, the first thing you need to do is go to our website at ePlan Education for Students. The corresponding link to our website is eplan.com/students. Once you are on the page, click on Download ePlan Education. You will be redirected to ePlan Cloud, where you need to create a user account by entering your email address and then clicking on Continue. You will then receive an email in your inbox. If you have not received an email, please check your junk or spam folder, as it may be there. Once you have opened the email, click on Confirm. You can then create your password and click on Continue. Now you will need to fill out the form to complete your profile details. If you do not have a student or matriculation number, please insert the name of your ePlan teacher instead. Here you can select the desired language for the software. Please note, the language you select for the software now cannot be changed later. Choose which software version you require. Please read the privacy policy and accept the terms and conditions to continue. Click on Create ePlan ID, and that's the first part done. From here, you will be taken to the ePlan Cloud, where you can find all software versions available for download. Your entitlement ID, in short EID, can be found here. You can click on the eye icon to display the EID and click on the paper icon to copy the EID. This makes it easier to paste into the software. You can also see when the software will expire. How to register for ePlan Education with an existing ePlan Cloud account. If you already have an ePlan Cloud account, go to ePlan Education for Students on our website and click on Download ePlan Education. In the following window, select Download ePlan Education with existing ePlan ID at the bottom. Enter your email address associated with the ePlan Cloud account and click on Continue. You will then receive an email in your inbox. Once you have opened the email, you can click on Confirm, then enter your password. From here on, the process steps are exactly the same as for new ePlan users. If anything is unclear, please watch the first chapter of this video again. How to download ePlan Education. Now let's move on to the step-by-step installation guide for the ePlan Education software. To do this, you must first go to the ePlan Cloud website and log in .eplan.com and log in with your email address and password. Welcome to the ePlan Cloud dashboard. You will find the Download section in the drop-down menu at the top right. This will take you to your account, where you will see your available downloads. Click on Download for the software version you want. Tip: we always recommend downloading the latest version so that you can work with the latest standard. Wait until the zip file has been downloaded to your downloads. Once this is done, click on the folder in the download area to go to the storage location. Right-click on the software and click on Extract All. Select the storage location for the folder and click on Extract again. This will extract both the folder and all files. Once complete, you can open the file. Either you will see the setup file, which you can run, or you can go to the setup folder and click on Setup. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. This will take you to the Setup Manager. If you do not want to make any changes, click Next. If you amend to change settings, click User Defined and then Next. You can then select your preferred language. You can also change the unit of measurement as required, depending on your usage. Enter your name or unique alias in the company code section here. This field must not remain empty. Then click Next and confirm the installation by clicking Install. Once the setup is complete, you can click on Finish. Double-click the software to open. Go to Single License and activate the license online. At the same time, call up your entitlement ID in your ePlan Cloud account. Then click on Education License. Click on the eye icon to display your EID and click on the paper icon to copy it. Paste the EID into the software and click Activate. Then click on Activate again and continue. Log into your ePlan Cloud account and click Sign In. Here you can decide whether you would like to participate in the Customer-Focused Improvement Program. We are grateful to everyone who participates, as it helps us to improve the quality, reliability, and performance of our software. Choose and then click Next. And done. You are now logged into the software. If you would like to get started with ePlan right away, we recommend our free e-learning courses for beginners. All of the available courses are displayed automatically on the ePlan Cloud homepage. After login to the ePlan Cloud, you will get to the new dashboard. Here, you will find the e-learning section. If you have any questions, please fill out the form at the bottom of the ePlan Education for Students website. We will get back to you as soon as possible. And now, have fun with ePlan.